a strap, if you're using polyester strapping, you'll want to mount the raw edge with a flame to prevent it from fraying. If the strap is cotton, you can fold an end over and zigzag the end to prevent it from fraying. Take the strap, insert one end of the strap into the slider buckle, threading it over the center bar and back to the strap. Overlap the end of the strap to about 1 inch. Then sew 2 seams to secure the strap, about 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch from the raw edge. Then thread the unfinished end of the strap through the end of one of the swivel connectors. Push the swivel connector to the end near the slider buckle. Then thread the end of the strap through the slider buckle. Attach the remaining swivel connector to the remaining unfinished end of the strap. Pay attention to which is right side and which is wrong side of the strap as you finish it. Secure the strap with 2 seams, again 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch from the raw edge. Attach the swivel connectors to the D-rings on your bag, adjust the slider buckle, and wear your bag.